Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can fix Monopoly Go not connecting to your Facebook account. So first thing first, let's go ahead and start with updating our Monopoly Go app. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Monopoly Go and make sure that you see Play or Open instead of Update. If you see Update, immediately tap onto Update and update your application. Now for the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and here tap on Apps. Here also you have to search for Monopoly Go. So type in Monopoly Go and then search. Wait for this to load. Once you see your Monopoly Go application, tap onto it. In here tap on Storage and then clear the cache. Now for this you will also have to clear the data. So tap on Clear Data. And once you tap on Clear Data, open your Monopoly Go application again. And then it will give you an ability to re-log into your account. This time you have to tap on Connect with Facebook, and as you do so, make sure that you choose your Facebook again, and likewise, that is how you can fix your problem. Now, if it's still not working for you, then you might want to uninstall Monopoly Go, reinstall again, repeat the same process that I showed you, and this shall fix your problem.